So I think all of us always heard that you need leadership skills, you need like some management skills. You think for an early stage entrepreneur or people who just want to start this journey, what is the best way to practice or learn about these skills?
Yeah, probably the best way is to build a company yourself. So learning by doing, though it's difficult, and also the failure rate is high. So if you just jump into building a business, yeah, you would for sure learn a lot, but also there's a risk of failing. So I think courses that you offer with Unique Master is a good way to get started. To see, yeah, learn from your classes that you offer, so that people can also check, would this be something for me, where I believe, okay, now I know a little bit better what it takes to be an entrepreneur, to create a company. Could I actually picture myself doing this? So I don't know if you also include these check marks for people, like a survey or a test for people. Would I feel myself in the position to create a company? Maybe that is something what you could offer if you do not offer yet. I know your platform, but I don't know it 100%. So I think your platform would be good. And then consult always experts. So before doing something, it's always good to get some external people to support you, giving you some advice.